Okay, we let people in a bit earlier. Have to sort of wander up and down. How much are you asking on that?
3.
So what am I doing up this early? It's 29 minutes past 5. It's off to Apps Court, Carboot, Walton-on-Thames. About a 20-minute drive. To see what bargains I can find on a Monday, bank holiday Monday. So what I'll do, I'll speak to you when I'm waiting in the queue. The hour is early. 5:55. Down at Apps Court, waiting to get in. Left mine 5:30. Oh well, don't mind waiting. It's a nice day, it's not too cold to be honest. Hopefully I get some good bits. Hoping that on bank holiday Monday, yes, bank holiday Monday, that the Apps Court car boot would be busy. Hope so, and get some good bargains. Do GoPro footage as per usual, and then later on do the haul. Right, they allow you in around about 27 minutes past 6, half 6, into the field. There's a few dealers who pay extra. Morning. Yeah, not bad. Not too bad. Thought I'd come here for a change. Oh, not yet. So, be about half hour or so before the regulars get in. Might go for a drink actually.
Oh yeah, that's fair enough, mate.
Okay, we let people in a bit earlier. Have to sort of wander up and down to see what they've got, and then see what you can get. That's usually about 20 minutes, half hour before they set up quite a bit, but hopefully it'll be a big one. Once they're sort of set up, we'll go GoPro ready and boom. Right, let's make a move. Sort of confined. We've already got a trolley full, just games and some board games. Boom. Right. Actually, it's up there. Let's make a move. It's only about a few rows.
I've got one.
Okay, 150.
Oh yeah, okay.
How much for your leg roll, please?
We're doing £10-12 set. What do you want to put out on here?
Just put all the bedding set, isn't it? It's not just a fiver.
How much are you asking on that?
3.
You're going in, I'll take it for free. And how much are you asking for these skates?
Those are 5.
Okay. I'll definitely take that. I'll put it down there for a sec. Just get
Yeah, I was gonna
£3.
say, we wanted to take the box, but like you, everyone
Already
wants to
filled my
see.
trolley. First time, like first row and a half. That, and those board games. And then some DS games, £2 each. So go back and do all the rest of the rows, probably know about 4 or 5 rows. Worth coming out, to be honest. If I was a hook, all the dealers would be flitting and flying around. You know what they're like. Probably some here as well, but as because I don't come here very often, I don't know what they pick up, to be fair. There's one over there, I'll go later. And there's others here, setting up.
Just get out what's left.
Looks like it's spacing them out, so there's more coming in that way.
Very quiet. They won't take you long to walk. Do you have the dongle for this? What's that? Do you have the dongle? Sorry.
What's your big guys here?
Yeah.
I think I have to go around 2 or 3 times. How much after for that?
Sorry?
How much for that?
£5.
Okay.
Don't tell Grandad.
Will you take 4?
Yeah, go on then.
And again. So I've got 2, 3.
They both put the tags on them. Yeah. This is in the box, aren't they? 15 or 25.
At the Carboot say. Oh, okay, you can guarantee this lot's going to be very expensive, so nah. I'm going to wait and wait for the first one, all the way around again, so I can find. And if I film down these rows, that one and that one, there might be another one with more cars come, so I'll do this one anyway. I can't remember if I filmed down these. I'll just film and see what I've got at the end. Hopefully some good stuff. And how much you want for that?
50p each.
Okay. I'll let it take that one. 50p. There we go. Cheers. How much are you looking on the Furby?
Oh, the Furby. £8.
Okay.
Shiny.
Okay, no worries.
How much your Vera?
Thank you.
How much you got on the magazines?
How many do you want? You want them all?
Yeah, how much you going to do for more? Yeah.
Tenner.
Okay.
Tenner for the lot. Cash, no checks, huh?
Yep.
I think some of them got prices on about £3 something, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I'll go in. Why not? I'm only here once. Tell no, you got you, mate.
Good job you never give me a check. Can you get him in there all right?
Yeah, I'll get him in here, yeah. Don't you worry, I'll get him in here. Just got to move a few bits out of the way. I'll get him in there. I have to do a few at a time.
A bit weighty.
Oh, don't worry, it'll be alright. Yeah. Used to it.
Have you got mates in Chelsea?
No, I'm a Chelsea fan, so I'll probably keep these.
Would you really? Yeah.
Yeah. There's still people arriving. So, with the Chelsea mags, I'd probably do split them into 2 or 3 because they're quite weighty. If I do them all together, for 10 you can't grumble. Should get around 15 to 20 each bundle. Depending on the year though, and the significance of the actual oh, nearly 8 o'clock. There's, I think I've got to go 1 row and then down the last one, I think, and then quickly have a look round. I've got enough stuff here. All that lot. They're mine to put on later. Boom. So let's get back and get the other rows sorted out.
Did you buy some from me yesterday? This is a different one. Yeah,
someone with big gumbo on it.
No tak, wiesz, że mi
I've just finished round Apps Court Carboot, just gone past 9 o'clock, and I got a bite to eat, of course. Something lovely, and bacon in with onions. It's weird because we got let in around about 6:30, 20 past 6, half 6, something like that. And we got in, I got a cup of tea. The time I've got a cup of tea and started to drink it, the sellers were allowed in and setting up. I'm like, hang on a minute. Normally it's 7 o'clock, but it got let in around about 6:45. So, oh well. I didn't think I would do that well, but I did do quite well. So, next clip you see the haul. Right, time for the haul part of this video. As you've seen, I went down to another car boot, Apps Court in Walton-on-Thames on the bank holiday Monday. So I thought, why not get out, see what I can find, and I found some good bits. Decent enough car boot-ish, but 2 annoyances. First one, you normally have to wait, like, the cars come in pretty much as you're standing there waiting to get stuff buy stuff. So it's like trying to flick around and get the best stuff. Sometimes you miss out, and then you got to pay £2 as you leave, not before, but as you leave. So what I will do, I'll share with you what the item is, what I paid, and what it's worth. So, I got some board games. First one is this Only Fools and Horses board game. So it's a Monopoly. So what I do, I always put what contents it is on the sticky note. So, so we've got 33 tablets, 32 needed. There's no dice. And I think the rest is okay in there. Just your usual stuff there. I think 2 special. Oh, and missing one of the things down there. So I'll put that in the listing. What did I pay? I paid £3, only worth £10. The next one, I got a doctor operation from the same guy. Paid £3, worth 12. I've not had a chance to test it, see if it actually works, so I'll probably put that as untested. The operation. It's that one's on the back. Doctor operation. So as I say, pay £3, should get £12 out of that. Then the next one, a Monopoly Avengers. I paid £3, should get around 18 roughly. So, one dice missing. Missing one of the shield cards, so I have to be a spares, unfortunately. But that's the way it goes when you buy board games at a Carboot or like other places like Jumble Sales, Jumble Trails. People say, "Oh yes, it's all of it's there." Obviously not. But I only paid £3, so should get around maybe 15 to 18, something like that, for this Monopoly Avengers board game. Sold them before. It usually go quite quickly, but we'll see on this one. What we got next? The first pickup that I actually made was a load of DS games. So there's 9 DS games. I paid £2 each, so that's £18 all in. I saw that, I was like, I've got to buy them, because she just basically was putting out other stuff, and I was like, okay, I was chatting to her. I might have got it on the old camera, I'm not sure what footage I've got right in the moment. And she said, oh, I've got my DS, I've got all this and but at home. I'm thinking, well, it's good being at home, I could have brought it. Anyway, so I got the games. All the games there. Quite a lot of good games. So we've got Mario Bros DS, all £2 each. That one's worth $14.99. They're all in there. Worms Open Warfare, worth around £5. Then you've got Grand Theft Auto Chinatown, and that's worth £30 all day long. The Chinatown Wars. There, Hello Kitty, only worth a £5, £5. Disney Little Mermaid, worth £6. Then you've got Betty Boop, they're worth £5. Then you've got a theme park one, which is worth £5. Next one, Rayman's worth £7, and Scooby-Doo is worth around £6. So not too bad really. The best one of a lot obviously is the Chinatown Grand Theft Auto. I knew as soon as I saw it, I've got to get it before anyone else does, because you never know at that car boot. It's setting up as you're walking around normally. That's why I don't like that sort of thing, because you never know what you're going to find. The people just rushing in the car, say, well, you got this, got that, and the other one. Like, people are like, no, even if I have. Anyway. Oh, I got a Spellmaster thing. It's a Franklin Spellmaster. I thought they'd go for more money. It's this Franklin. It's the Scribe. Basically, I paid £4, only worth around £14 for this Franklin Spellmaster. I thought it'd be worth more, but it's okay. Should make a little bit profit on that one. Oh, I picked up some Harry Potter books. Oh dear. So these ones, £4. No, £5 all in. Was it £4? Might have been £5 all in actually. Yeah, £5 all in. I know this one's first edition go for around £25. The Stars version. If I had a first edition in better condition, normal, I go for a lot more. Then we've got the Philosopher's Stone, a bundle up, which is a first edition. Bundle this one up, 11th edition, and then the Goblet of Fire, 11th edition again. I'll bundle up. I don't tend to normally do that well with bundles of Harry Potter books, so they may sit around in my bundle pile for a while. To be honest, I can never shift them for a decent amount of money. That's why I try and get the single ones like that. To be honest, it's easier to sell a single one for a decent amount of money, but I had to get that in the lot because they weren't going to sell me single ones just for the lot. Okay, what we got next? Wednesday. Oh, Little Britain first series, which is this one, the complete first series, Little Britain. It's not worth a lot. They pay 50p. I wait for a bundle like when you get 1, 2 and 3 and special editions. So yeah, they're still okay for Little Britain. For 50p, you can't go wrong, to be honest. Pop that there for a sec. The next lot, I was chatting to a guy. I had a load of Chelsea FC magazines. They're a few years old, not the old from 90s, early 2000s or 80s on that, but decent amount. I paid £10, so I was chatting to a guy, chatting about the football, and I think I might have got it on the camera. There's a big bundle. What I will do, because I ain't selling all this, oh Jesus, as one, because they're flipping heavy. What I'll do is I will split into 2 or possibly 3 bundles at £15 each. Between £15 and £20 for a bundle, like for example this sort of stuff versus Sunderland, that sort of thing. So it depends where you live, depending on what you see at Carboot. Like if you live up Newcastle, you see Newcastle a lot. You live down in Devon, you see Plymouth. Live my way, you see all sorts of London clubs, variety of stuff. So a few years old, so I work out what years, then go through and do probably maybe do 3 bundles actually, come to think of it, because they're really heavy to post. Oh, blimey, put them down. There we go. Oh, blimey. Whew, that was heavy. I picked up some Vans, size 8. They're going if you wanted £4 something or another, whatever, £4 something. I said, we do £3. He's like, no, £3.50. I walked away. He said, would you take 3? One of those foreign type ones. £3 Vans, not bad condition really. I've got to get some special other laces with these. I've got plenty of laces. I might swap out these dodgy laces for the others. They're size 8. Let's have a look. Size 8, yeah, UK. So that's cool. Happy with those shoes. Because coming into summer now, people wear those type of Vans. Okay. Oh, right. These. Bit of media. Do like a little bit of media. 50p for the first series, bundle up. Third series, bundle up. 2 disc special edition. And I will have to try and get like either the live or there's other Little Britons to bundle up. Because I know one of them does really well. And I got this one for £3, and that is worth around £9. It's Red Dead Redemption Xbox 360. So do like a bit of media to get going. Easy to list, easy to sell, easy to ship. What else have we got next? Oh, with the same ladies, the Little Britain and the Red Dead Redemption, I got, if I can find them, these £1.50 Warhammer Age of Sigmar Champion trading card game. And not worth as much as I thought, because they're only worth £6, but they're new, so £6 plus postage. I don't know, but I thought I'll kind of try. Like new, not been open to be honest, so new and all that. And the last couple of pickups I'm going to show you are a couple of games I picked up off camera, because I do that. I go around with the camera, get some stuff on camera, knock up thing, have a look through and try to bargain, and then obviously when I go out off the camera, turn it off and have done enough footage, I pick up It's the way it goes. But I picked up these two for £1 each, Die by the Sword, PC game, and the Jedi Knights, Mission of the Sith. So, this one, if it was a box, I should get around £20 box PC, but this one should get around £8, and the Star Wars one are £10. So that's what I really picked up, the app's called Carboot. I paid around £56 for today. That's not including the £2 for the entrance fee at the end, and the food and a cup of tea I had and all that there. Worth around £241.99, then you've got minus fees, what I paid, all that, so it's okay-ish. So next weekend, I won't be going to Sunday Carboot, but I will be at a jumble sale. Hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, it's on next Saturday. So let me know in the comments below what you liked about this video. Did you see anything that I missed out on? And I'll leave a like, share and subscribe. Catch you later, take care, see ya.